I've had enough character development in my life.
You know who you are. Hey guys, welcome to Thistle.
I'm Sanjana and this is Dyuti.
And yeah, so basically, we were just looking at the comments from our second episode, and one of our subscribers had commented about this character from one of
Our favorite shows.
from Chhota Bheem. Okay.
Yeah.
So
Kirmada is
yeah,
the villain
yeah.
from that show. And we were like, oh my god, yeah. Like, we forgot how much that villain terrorized us when we were kids.
yeah.
And that was the, actual fear-evoking character back then.
Exactly.
And we were just like, you know what, we can actually talk
about this.
all these childhood cartoon shows and
movies and stuff like that.
Yeah. And so, like we said, Chhota Bheem, it was one of my favorite shows. Like if I had to rank my favorite TV shows, I think Chhota Bheem would be the first.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I
Chhota
put
Bheem
it
was
at,
the
like,
first.
My top 5. Top 5, honestly. But yeah, so Pogo, it used to come on Pogo,
Yeah,
right? So
on
I feel
Pogo.
like there were a lot more shows on Pogo that I liked a lot better. Like, do you remember Sunaina?
Oh my god.
It used to come at
Favorite.
like late at night, and I used to stay up just to watch
Exactly.
that show.
Actually, it used to start at 9 p.m. Okay, and it used to go on till 11. 9 to 11 would be like 4 episodes that they used to play, and then the same episodes would be repeated till 1 o'clock. And I had begged my mom to stay up till 1 o'clock and watch the the repetition also.
Oh my god.
Yeah, and weirdly, guys, I liked that show so much that I forced my parents into naming my sister Sunaina.
Oh my god.
Free publicity she's getting.
Yeah, of course. But yeah, apart from Sunaina, there was this other show called Mad.
Oh yeah,
That
the
art
art guy.
I recently saw him on Instagram also. And I was just like, oh my god, you were my like childhood, like literally.
I swear.
Anything that I like, all of my art and stuff like that, it was inspired by him.
Really?
And it was inspired by this guy called Mr. Maker.
Yeah, I know who he is, or like I can imagine it in my head, but then I don't exactly remember watching.
He's the guy with like the brown jacket and the colorful vest sort of thing. The ... vest.
No, I know who he is, but I never really watched his show that much. Yeah.
He used to have the different shapes, used to dance and stuff like that. And then, all of these kids used to come together to form one shape, and you had to basically guess which shape that was. I mean, what that thing was and stuff like that. It was very nice.
That's
he had
nice.
this entire row, a huge, shelf, okay, full of drawers and stuff like that with different things. It was my dream to have a shelf like that.
That's so cute, actually.
But, yeah.
Art, the other one I used to watch related to art was Art Attack. I think that was on Nick, if I'm not wrong.
No, it was on Disney, right?
Okay, one of those.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
But
that was amazing. Recently, I think a few months ago or something, there was this throwback reel or something, and like the Art Attack dude, like they showed how he looks now, and I was just like, I got so emotional looking at that, and I was just like, what? Wait. And then I realized how old I am, and then I'm just like, yeah, makes sense.
Bro, that talking tree, that talking coconut tree.
Oh, in
that animated, iconic.
I know, literally.
But, yeah.
And then
I learned how to create that paper mache thing. The amount of paper mache that guy used to use, like literally.
Oh.
These other shows on Disney, like Best of Luck, Nikki.
Yeah.
Suit life of Karan.
Suit
life of
Karan and Kabir. That was nice. That was inspired from an English show, no?
Yeah. It's actually, I was watching the English version of both of those shows, and they're literally the same. Like all of the dialogues, everything, they're the same.
Okay.
But
some of the Hindi one hits better. Talking about Hindi versions hitting better, the Hindi version of Horrid Henry.
Oh my god.
That was so funny. Horrid Henry also one of my favorite shows.
Exactly. I feel like it was it was just that show that used to show like a very dysfunctional kind of kid, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like a rebel sort of
Yeah, yeah,
kid.
yeah,
All
yeah.
of these other shows were like,
You
I
know?
mean, apart from Shin-chan, obviously.
I
but
never watched Shin-chan, guys. Okay, I know.
How? It's
I
seen,
just
Sanju.
didn't.
It's seen that you haven't watched Shin-chan. How can you not? Okay,
don't
watch it now.
know.
It's a necessity for character development.
I think I've had enough character development in my life.
But yeah, bro, Shin-chan, I still watch Shin-chan. Like whenever I'm bored, I feel like it's such a nice show to just go
Yeah, I
and
mean,
watch
all
it
my
again.
friends have, you know.
You know, apparently it was like in Japan, it's like an A-rated show.
What?
Yeah, it's meant for adults in like Japan. It's
Really?
not for children. It has a lot of you know, A-rated content, but then
Oh.
the Indian board has like censored it so much so that
Whoa.
it's fit for children.
Oh.
But you wouldn't realize that it's you know censored so much when you're watching it. Like
Hey, Japanese show, the other one,
which one?
Takeshi's Castle.
Oh my god!
Yeah, that was
Even
Japanese
that
only,
used to
no?
come at 12 a.m. or
Yeah,
something. No?
Javed
Brother.
Jaffrey was the, what do you call
The host.
The host, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah.
Bro, I used to always think I could do a better job than those play.
Every time.
It's so easy just
Exactly.
to jump on those
Did they
things.
really? You think you could do
See,
that?
at that age,
Your
I was-
athletic skills are quite.
See, at that age, I was a bit delusional, okay?
No, but really,
Yeah.
those were so nice. The one, especially the one running on the circular rolling thingies.
Yeah. I used to like the one where you had to jump from one column to the
Oh,
other
yeah.
and stuff like that. Did
So
anyone
much
ever
fun.
actually win that show?
No idea. Actually, no idea. Like, I don't think there was ever a conclusion to that show, if I'm right or something, if I'm not wrong.
Yeah, that was nice.
Yeah, and then there were these Ben 10, Beyblade, Pokemon and
yeah,
stuff.
yeah.
I still play Beyblade. I
Yeah?
still have it. That let it rip kind. That it just stuck with me. It's just so much fun. I think most people used to play it in that Kadai thing that they had.
Yeah?
The stadium.
I never watched Beyblade.
Yeah?
No.
Oh.
Yeah.
I used to watch it and then I like bought a ton of it. And I had a stadium also, Beyblade stadium, and I used to play so much. Like anyone who came over, the first thing we did was play Beyblade. And then and the Ben 10 watch also.
Oh, Ben 10. He used to transform or something, no? I remember watching like a few seconds.
And the best thing about is like in this Jatre and all, basically fairs, you used to get like those Ben 10 watches and then the tune used to come when you like press the
Press it.
button. So nice.
I haven't watched either of those shows.
Oh.
I watched Pokemon. Like I used to be a huge Pokemon
Yeah.
fan. That Team Rocket thing. I used to know that entire dialogue of theirs.
Oh.
Yeah. And then I was obsessed with Pikachu. Like it
Yeah,
was my
you still are.
favorite.
Like
Yeah.
some time ago, we had a conversation about
Yeah,
this, if I'm
yeah,
not wrong.
Pikachu was like the theme for my 6th standard birthday cake.
Whoa.
Yeah. So I was that obsessed with it. Pichu, Pikachu, and Raichu. All
Damn.
3 of them. And it was a phase. to say the least.
Understandable. Birthday
yeah.
cake, I mean, birthday themes and all. I had a Tom and Jerry birthday
Yeah.
theme sort of thing. Like my 5th year birthday was like, I think just then they'd like started printing characters on cakes and stuff like that. So mine was Tom and Jerry.
Oh my god.
Yeah, that's another
Oh,
beautiful
that was
show.
so cute, honestly.
Like the smaller rat.
The grey colored
grey
one, no?
mouse.
Yeah, bro, so cute. It used to come
Adorable.
randomly, and it used to always drink in that small.
Yeah,
drink to that small
exactly.
milk bottle,
yeah.
right?
So cute.
Yeah.
And then there were these, I think,
On Cartoon Network itself, there was this other show.
which
What
one?
was that called? It was called Zig and Sharko.
I've not heard of it at all.
No, that hyena kind of fellow, the brown color animal used to try and, you know, eat this mermaid or something like
Yeah?
that. Yeah, and then
Oh.
the mermaid had this friend shark, okay? And that shark used to basically protect the mermaid from getting eaten by this hyena guy. So it was very funny. There used to be, you know, dialogues of such, but
Oh,
then
okay.
it used to be, I don't know why I used to obsess over that show so
Oh.
much. I used to sit and watch through all of those episodes.
Wow.
But yeah.
Mermaid and all, like all these water characters and all, Oswald the octopus.
Oh my god. Oswald.
That's
That
my
is on some other level itself, actually.
Yeah.
That's
All
my top. That's in my top 2.
Oh,
Yeah.
top 2.
Top 2.
The dog also, Weenie, so
Weenie.
cute.
The whole hat thing that
Yeah,
you know,
yeah,
Oswald
yeah.
used to do was so nice. I like the fact that that show was just so slow and you
Yeah.
can. It was just that de-stressor sort of thing that,
Literally.
you know.
It like
What
made
stress?
us just
It's not like we had any
not
stress,
stress,
back
but like
then, but
it just made us pause and like you know just enjoy what we are watching without all the
Yeah.
chaos and too much music and stuff like that. Because like
Yeah.
kids usually like watching stuff that stimulates their
Yes,
mind
yes,
a lot.
exactly.
And this was one of those that didn't.
Yeah, it was very slow, and Oswald was just such a, you know, kind, caring
Yeah.
character. I don't know why. That's
just-
such a very cute show.
I love Daisy, the flower from that character.
Yeah,
She was
yeah.
was it
No.
a she or a he? She only, if I'm not
I
wrong.
don't
Yeah, she
really
was
remember
really
that.
cool. Like I just liked her so much. And
Yeah, honestly, speaking of like slow shows, Winnie the Pooh was also one of my favorite.
oh
shows.
yeah,
Like movies actually.
Correct,
More
correct.
than the series, I
I
like
think
the movies.
that was
more.
one of our first shows that we watched and
Yeah.
enjoyed.
Yeah.
I remember. In Pretends to be Santa, my parents had gifted me Winnie the Pooh books.
Yeah. Oh my god. But those illustrations in the books
I
also, they're
know.
so pretty. Like
Exactly.
till date, I still have Winnie the
Yeah.
Pooh books because I'm
Oh.
just like, it's just nice to go back and
True.
read through those books.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Winnie the Pooh was on another level.
Yeah.
Completely. I don't know. Why don't they make shows like that anymore? Like
This is a constant. Every
Constant
Yeah,
question.
why don't they make movies like that anymore? Why don't they make songs like that
Oh,
anymore?
yeah.
But yeah.
I know. There was Phineas and Ferb.
Oh.
Yeah.
Phineas and Ferb, bro. Again, that entire theme song I used to know by heart.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I used to watch that for like time pass. I wasn't really.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I used to. I love the whole Dr. Doofenshmirtz.
Huh. I like the.
Schmertz.
Oh.
My pronunciation. Yeah.
Perry the Platypus.
Very.
Yeah. Oh my god.
But
A little bit inside joke.
don't. But yeah, I love how they made him out to be the villain, but then at the end of the show, you'd just be very empathetic towards him. At
True.
least now you're just like, wait, he was a great father. He was, you
He
know,
was great everything, but we chuma
he
complained.
just had a lot of, you know, childhood trauma and stuff like that, which was, but I don't know.
Yeah.
That was nice.
That was really nice.
Vanessa was like the it girl
True.
at that point of time. Like
Yeah, yeah,
everybody,
yeah.
I feel like wanted to,
To be her.
Yeah.
And then there was Thomas and Friends. That was also really nice.
That was a very cute
That
show.
was very cute.
That
And-
was that I used to watch Time Pass.
Oh.
Yeah.
No, I really liked
For
that.
Time Pass. Yeah.
And my mom used to read books to me before I went to bed. And I had this book, and every time she used to read this, I used to almost tear up for some reason because, like, some train would, like, you know, get in trouble and stuff like that, get into an accident, and I used to feel so sad about it. And then Thomas would always go rescue
Save
and
the day.
stuff. Yeah. And also Noddy with
Oh,
his airplane
yeah.
and stuff. I
Noddy
really
was
wanted that
very
so badly.
You know, these shows, there was another show called Handy Manny or something like that.
Oh.
He used to have this, you know, full toolkit of like different tools, and all of those tools had like separate personalities. Yeah, so
Oh.
there was like a hammer, a measuring tape, and stuff like that. So he used to sort of, you know, fix these, you know, carpentry things
Oh.
and stuff like that. That was a very
Wait.
nice show as well.
Bob the Builder is different, no?
Bob the Builder is
Bob the
different.
Builder is
Yeah.
because the whole building and fixing thing.
No. This is handyman. speaking of actually, other than these shows, I feel like the old movies as well were like very nice. You know, things like Booth and Friends
Oh
and
God,
stuff like that.
yeah, Jackie Shroff,
Oh.
OG dude.
That's where I know him from actually.
Same, like never knew him before that, and then when I used to watch it with my parents and all, they used to be like, "This dude's a big
guy.
Bollywood
Yeah,
actor,"
exactly.
and I was like, "Whoa."
That
That
was very
entire
nice.
story is so nice. Like the
Exactly.
friendship that they've shown between the
Exactly,
four
you know?
characters, really nice.
That blue diamond that they show at the end, I still remember that so clearly.
I know, in that chest,
Yeah.
I wanted that. It looked so nice.
That bald British guy with that fake accent. I'm pretty sure he's an Indian actor.
Is he? No,
He looks
I don't.
like, I mean, I think I've seen him somewhere in some other Indian movies. As
Yeah,
well.
he's all. There are these set actors who play the Western characters in
All
Bollywood movies.
yeah.
I think he's one of them, if I'm not wrong.
He's an honorary Indian at this point.
Okay.
Let's just say that.
Do you know why I'm laughing?
Don't. But yeah.
And
Other than that, Chain Kuli ki Man Kuli.
dude, magic bat. I want it. Even now, if you give it to me, I'll just take it.
You know that scene in that movie where he orders so many things, a hotel, at that hotel,
yeah.
he keeps ordering a lot of dishes.
True.
That was my dream. And honestly, till date, that is my dream. To be as rich as, you know,
Him to just order food
yeah.
like that. I know, that
Honestly.
was crazy. And then when he just burps and goes to sleep, I
Yeah.
was just like, dude, my dream. What low quality dreams.
Honestly, you can, you know. Hey. I kind of empathize with like the villain kind of guy as well. Papa, I feel like he just needed some love and attention. Like, you know what
Maybe,
I mean.
but like, no, I don't have all that. I
No,
just
I feel like
hated the guy. Like, I felt so bad when he threw the bat and
And he
it
broke.
broke. I was just like, bro. Little bit one.
ready to throw
yeah,
hands.
yeah, full on.
But no, I felt bad for him. I feel like, see, it was dependent on luck as well, right? Because he got the
See.
bat.
Logic and all, I don't care when it comes to this.
But yeah.
But I get what you're trying to say. Very adult analysis
Yeah,
of the film,
exactly.
which I don't want to do.
Done enough adulting.
Enough. I'm done. I want to go back to being 2. And also, like these movies and stuff, there was this Japanese version of Ramayana.
Oh, yeah.
So beautiful.
So I feel like that is the best
version
Ramayan
till
version.
date.
Yeah.
I don't think anything can beat it.
Exactly.
The songs are so beautiful.
Exactly. I keep
I
saying
love it.
exactly, but yeah.
It's true.
I don't think any version came close to, you
To-
know, yeah,
yeah.
especially the ones you see now.
Don't even, I don't
Yeah.
think.
Yeah. But yeah, other than that, other movies like that, have you watched Oh My Friend Ganesha? Yeah.
Way too many times. Way too many
Yeah.
times.
It was so...
I used to cry when Ganesha had
Used
to
to go
leave.
away, yeah.
It was so sad. Like I still remember how the scene
sunset,
was. The
yeah,
sunset,
yeah.
Ganesha sitting like that, and then Ashu saying, "Please don't go."
I
I
know.
was just like, and I think like the Ganesha festival that happened every time. Like, you know, when I was obsessed with the movie, I used to feel the same thing. Like, I don't want Ganesha to go and stuff like that.
I had the biggest shock when I realized like the kid in that movie was a girl and not a guy.
True.
I'm just like, what?
Yeah, she's a influencer now.
No. She's an actress itself.
Actress.
Yeah, she's I mean, she's acted
Oh yeah,
in
web
that,
series
yeah,
and
Kota
stuff.
Factory and stuff.
And also, Hanuman. What was the Return of
The
Hanuman?
Return of Hanuman.
Yeah, the theme
yeah.
song of that.
Oh.
It's playing in my
I
head
still
right
listen
now.
to that song.
Same. Workout motivation.
You remember that mango that he used to have?
Yeah.
That it's so.
I get what you're
right
trying
in
to
front
say.
of me right now.
But you can't get
honestly.
it.
Yeah. It's a life lesson I should have learned back
Back
then.
then, you won't get
Yeah.
anything. I mean, that's not true, really. Perspective.
Oh,
Depends
okay.
on perspective, guys.
So we kind of realized that we've actually run through our list and we
Yeah.
spoke about all the things
Things-
that we thought of.
And also
So,
more things. Actually,
yeah.
while we were speaking, like we just came up with stuff that, we didn't plan on speaking
Yeah,
about as well.
exactly.
And yeah, I
Yeah.
mean, I hope this
So-
made you smile.
And honestly, I genuinely hope that it took you back in time, because when we were when we were thinking of all the things that we could talk about, it actually took us back in time for a
Yeah.
while, and it was nice to feel like a child for some time.
Yeah, and
Not
little
like
bit
we're too
emotional
old
also.
now,
Yeah,
but
we're not
still.
old and all. Please,
But still,
a little bit got emotional also.
Sanju did.
But
But yeah.
thank you for watching.
And if you remember any such shows or
Yeah.
time, please let us know down
Yeah.
in the comments below.
It would make us really happy.
Yeah. Okay. Bye bye.
Bye.